How to delete duets or stitches on TikTok.
Many people don't know this, but if somebody duets your video, you can actually go and remove that video if you no longer want it to be up. So to do that, start out on your profile. Then tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. On the box that pops up, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Privacy. Scroll down to the Interaction section. Then, tap on Duet. On this page, tap on Manage Associated Videos, which will show you all the videos that have been posted as a duet or stitch video. Here, you can see that I have one video that's been duetted. It's one I made myself for the purpose of this video. Go ahead and tap on that, and you can see where the duet is. You can view the video if you want to. If you want to delete it, go ahead and go back. Tap on this icon with 3 little dots, and then click Remove All. This little box will pop up. Now, it's very important that you understand that if you go and delete this duet from the other person, it will also delete your original video. So yes, it will delete their duets, but it will also delete your video as well. So if you don't want the video to be removed from your profile, definitely don't do this. Might be a better idea to just message them and ask them if they'll remove it. If you're okay with your video being deleted and their video being deleted, you can go ahead and click delete. That's pretty much it though. Before you go, check this out.